Watch how we brought this 15-year-old teak bench back to life. First, we gave the bench a light spray of water before applying Barrettine's Wood Reviver. Wood Reviver contains oxalic acid found naturally in plants such as rhubarb and spinach. After generously applying the product, we then scrubbed all of the surfaces on the bench to help remove the grey and weathered appearance. Once the whole bench had been scrubbed, we rinsed to reveal the original warm tones of the wood. After leaving the bench to dry, the next step was to apply Barrettine's Universal Preserver, providing long-lasting protection from wet rot, decay and wood-boring insects. This wood preserver is only available in clear and serves as a fantastic primer for further overcoating. Lastly, it was time for Barrettine's award-winning Ultimate UV Protection Oil, containing a premium blend of natural oils, waxes and resins, which incorporates the latest UV stabilising technology to protect against weathering and UV damage. And here we have it, one 15-year-old teak bench restored to its natural tones.